Travel Gear Checklist. Essential items for every adventurer. Hey everyone, this is Fast Tour, your quick glimpse into diverse destinations and cultures around the globe. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway, a cross-country road trip, or an international expedition, having the right gear can make all the difference in your travel experience. Packing efficiently and thoughtfully ensures that you're prepared for any adventure that comes your way. To help you pack like a pro, here's a comprehensive travel gear checklist covering everything you need for a smooth journey. Luggage and packing essentials. 1. Suitcase or backpack. Choose a durable and appropriately sized bag to accommodate your travel needs. Consider factors like portability, storage compartments, and TSA compliance. 2. Packing cubes or organizers. Keep your belongings neatly organized and easily accessible with packing cubes. They help maximize space and minimize wrinkles in your clothing. 3. Luggage tags. Attach sturdy luggage tags with your contact information to help identify your bags and expedite their return in case of loss. 4. Travel locks. Protect your belongings from theft or tampering by using reliable travel locks on your luggage. Clothing and accessories. 1. Weather-appropriate clothing. Pack clothing suitable for the destination's climate and activities. Include versatile pieces that can be layered for warmth or dressed up for evening outings. 2. Comfortable shoes. Whether you're exploring city streets or hiking rugged trails, comfortable shoes are a must. Choose footwear that provides adequate support and is suitable for your planned activities. 3. Swimwear. If your itinerary includes beach destinations or hotel pools, don't forget to pack your swimwear. Electronics. 1. Smartphone. Your smartphone is a versatile travel companion, serving as a camera, navigation tool, communication device, and entertainment hub. Don't forget to pack your charger and any necessary cables. 2. Travel adapter. Ensure you can charge your devices in any location by bringing a universal travel adapter compatible with different outlet types. 3. Portable charger. Keep your devices powered up on the go with a portable charger or power bank. It's a lifesaver during long flights or sightseeing excursions. 4. Camera. Capture unforgettable moments with a compact digital camera or smartphone. Remember to bring extra memory cards and batteries. 5. Headphones or earbuds. Block out noise during flights or long bus rides with a pair of comfortable headphones or earbuds. Health and safety. 1. First aid kit. Prepare for minor injuries and ailments with a compact first aid kit containing band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any necessary medications. 2. Hand sanitizer and face masks. Practice good hygiene by carrying hand sanitizer and disposable face masks, especially in crowded or high-traffic areas. 3. Travel insurance. Protect yourself against unexpected emergencies, trip cancellations, or medical expenses by purchasing comprehensive travel insurance. 4. Insect repellent. Ward off mosquitoes and other pests with insect repellent, particularly in tropical or wooded areas. Documents and money. 1. Passport and visa. Ensure your passport is valid for the duration of your trip and check visa requirements for your destination. 2. Travel itinerary. Keep a copy of your travel itinerary, including flight details, hotel reservations, and contact information. 3. Emergency contacts. Carry a list of emergency contacts, including family members, friends, and local authorities at your destination. 4. Cash and cards. Bring a combination of cash and credit, debit cards for expenses like meals, transportation, and souvenirs. 5. Travel wallet. Safeguard your passport, tickets, and important documents in a secure travel wallet or document organizer. Comfort and convenience. 1. Travel pillow. Rest comfortably during long flights or road trips with a supportive travel pillow that fits your sleeping style. 2. Snacks. Pack nutritious snacks like granola bars, nuts, or dried fruit to keep hunger at bay between meals. 3. Travel umbrella or rain jacket. Be prepared for unexpected weather changes with a compact travel umbrella or lightweight rain jacket. Entertainment and miscellaneous. 1. Books, e-reader, or audiobooks. Pass the time during flights or downtime with your favorite reading materials. 2. Travel journal and pen. Document your adventures, jot down memorable moments, and reflect on your travels with a travel journal. 3. Travel guide or maps. Navigate unfamiliar destinations and discover hidden gems with a travel guidebook or digital maps. 4. Travel games or playing cards. Keep boredom at bay during long waits or downtime with travel-friendly games or playing cards. By following this comprehensive travel gear checklist, you'll be well equipped for your next adventure, whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended trip abroad. Remember to pack smart, travel light, and prioritize versatility and functionality when selecting your gear. Safe travels. That's all for today, guys. Stay tuned for more short travel videos.